weekend weather. That's where we'll start this day off with. Looks like we may finally get above freezing today and then get over the weekend. Last time we were above freezing was Sunday, so there. Could see a brief mix of precip on Sunday. Details are uncertain, so stay tuned. That's your message from the National Weather Service. But the temps, look at those temps, 35, 36 on Monday. Let that snow go away for now, as we want to have our fall back, whatever is left in the fall. But yeah, there you go. A lot of nice temperatures as you go into the weekend, and enjoy that sunshine today. It looks like it gets a little cloudy over the weekend, so there you go. All right, we've got information to talk about in your solid waste rate increase coming up this year. Solid waste rates will increase from $162 per household in 2019 to $203 per household in the year 2020. This fee will appear as a special charge on your tax bill and includes curbside solid waste, recycling, brush, and yard waste pickup. It also helps fund other city expenses such as recycling drop-off facility on South 𝗕𝗏𝗄𝗏 Road, recycling and solid waste collection at the municipal buildings, and proper disposal of recyclable items collected at City Hall, such as the 𝗦𝗶𝗱𝗏 and holiday lights, just to name a few. The main reason for this rate jump in the city is the new 2020-2024 solid waste contract. The services are competitively bid, and the city received 3 bids. Those bids came in a lot higher than the current rate, and that's reflecting a global increase in the cost of recycling. 𝗕𝗏𝗏𝗏 will continue to provide solid waste and recycling services for the next 5 years. If you got any questions, you can contact our friend Claudia Guy. The number is on your screen, and we'll be talking more about this as we get close to those tax bills dropping, but we want to get the information out there as it comes in. All right, alternate side parking restrictions began this morning at 1 a.m. Did you park your car on the right side of the road? This is where it's like, if you remember, like Blue's Clues or something, those TV shows where you would answer, yeah. All right, I'm done. Alternate side parking restrictions now in effect through March 15th, 2020. Alternate side parking restrictions are effects citywide 7 days a week, regardless of the weather condition. So here it is. Park on the even house number side of the street on an even number day from 1 to 7 a.m. Park on the odd house number side of the street on the days from 1 to 7 a.m. Does that make sense? Odd, even. There you go. You've been updated. And again, that now is in place. So it runs through March 15th of 2020. All right, citywide open house for the comprehensive plan update is coming up. It's next Wednesday, November 20th. It's at 6:30 p.m. here at City Hall. It'll be in the council chambers. You can come on out, learn about the plan, and see from we've had those around the city public information meetings. So now this will be looking at the whole plan, and again, your opportunity to put input into this draft update. So come on out. If you can't make it, don't worry. We'll be covering this here on Fact TV, be on our Gov channel, and of course, we'll bring you a little bit of coverage here on Talking Fitchburg. You can check that full plan out, by the way, online right now, fitchburgwi.gov. That's right there on the home page. All right, finally here for your headlines. The Fitchburg Fire Department Firehouse number 3 is going to be having an open house, an uncoupling, not just a ribbon cutting. Yeah, I can't do that. I mean, they got hoses. We got to use the hoses. Friday, December 6th at 4 p.m. To 5 p.m., come on out to the new Firehouse. That's at 2950 South Side Road. It's a beautiful station if, you haven't seen it yet. I've been out there, so I got to see it. But come on by, and they've been working hard to put the final touches on it. And they've been in there for a while. It says here there'll be refreshments and guided tours following the brief program. So come out for that. And, of course, we'll be covering that one for sure. And it will be here on Fact TV's Talking Fitchburg and more.